I'm Bobby with First Choice. If your unit's older than 15 years old, chances are it's going to be an R22 system. That refrigerant is commonly known as Freon. And in 2020, the EPA ruled against Freon, and technically we're not allowed to use that refrigerant anymore. So if you guys have any major repairs, you know, a bad compressor, something of that nature, it's going to be recommended that you upgrade to a more efficiency R410A system, which is now called a Puron system. Environmentally safe, it doesn't affect our ozone, and the efficiency requirements are a lot better. So, you know, if your system is, you know, coming up to that age of common breakdowns of 10 to 15 years old, you know, give us a call and we'll have a comfort advisor come out and give you some options on possible upgrades or any type of system enhancements.